Hey guys, it's Vicki and I'm here at Gorgeous Floral with Katharine Brown, and she's going to tell you a little bit about what's going on here. So tell us about Gorgeous Floral.
Vicki, thanks for asking. We opened in October and we're so thrilled to be in this beautiful space. We are first and foremost a florist. So we're a wedding florist and all occasion florist. And we are honored to provide the area with fresh cut flowers. And we are hoping to involve as many flower farmers as we can as well for local product, which is always beautiful. We have a beautiful retail shop, and of course, plant obsession is real, myself included. So we hope to help people find the plants that they need for their home and provide seeds, and we have a wonderful retail product line that we're constantly working on and evolving. So a lot going on here at the shop, that's for sure. It's exciting.
That sounds great. What kind of services do you provide for everybody that comes in?
So one of the new things that we have that we're extremely excited about is a subscription package for florals. So it's a wonderful gift, whether it be Valentine's Day or your birthday or just because you love someone or you're thinking of them, but you can have a monthly delivery or a weekly delivery, and we take care of it from there. So we do that. We're going to have workshops in the future here in the shop, which will be lots of fun, I'm sure. And we're also in the spring going to offer, potting up services. If you do buy a plant or need help with a plant, we can offer that as well. Plus, like I said, anything flower related, we're here for it.
Wow, that sounds great. And thank you so much for telling us all about Gorgeous Floral, and I can't wait to come back and check out some more stuff. And I hope you guys come by and check it out too. See you next time at Gorgeous Floral.